Welcome back to Deck Trains, a series where we explore a different set of trains each week. And this is week 75. It's 18 months. It's a year and a half since this series began. I started this series due to a forced period of, shall we say, low physical activity after having some hard work done. Well, in the second week of September coming up, I'll be back to do it all over again. Yay? Maybe? So, the real question is, how do I modify my numbering system if I'm doing it again? Well, anyway, down to business. How about an upgrade? From the past 2 weeks, the junior range, Old Black Annie, we're going to go to the full number 4000 version of the Old Black Annie. It features full valve gear, all-wheel drive, and this Loco features in the 1976 start set 6315 from Fleischmann. This set stayed basically the same for 10 years. Then in 1987, one of the low wagons was replaced with a high side wagon. So, we're going to start off with our Old Black Annie pulling from 1976, a pair of number 5011 Fleischmann DB low side open good wagons. And let's see how we can do. In part 2, we're going to change it up and look at a pair of 1987 number 5011 low side good wagons, but we're going to throw some high side wagons in, some closed box wagons, even a cattle wagon. And least we forget, from early 1970, the Fleischmann 5569 Track Cleaning Wagon. But P.S. also watch out, we've got a late 1970s 5569 Track Cleaning Wagon. This model turns out to be the fastest of my Annies. It does 130 and a quarter kilometers an hour, 80.9 miles per hour at 50% power around my loop. Well, we all know a typical 04 shunter will not come close to that speed at full power. And yes, next week we're going to look at another Fleischmann start set. Think it's from 1972 Novelties catalog. It's number 6344, an old-fashioned Gebrüder Fleischmann Nürnberg 060 steam tender Loco, pulling a couple pieces of rolling stock. Thanks for watching this video, folks, and please tune in next week to see the next greatest adventure.